Hey, what's up? How's it going? Now, I have been on art YouTube now for maybe about 3-4 years, something like that at this point. And you guys have always known me to be like a realistic artist. And you know, that's great. That's something I enjoy. It's something I love to do. But this whole entire past week, I don't know what it is. I don't know if I'm going through a crisis or what, but I've just been like smacked in the face with inspiration and drive to become a better artist. In order to grow as an artist, I need to step out of my comfort zone, try something I've never done today, and try things that I am scared to draw. So today, guys, I am going to draw things that I am just like terrible at drawing. And you know, I'm not afraid to admit that I'm not perfect. I'm not afraid to admit that I need to work on things, and I'm not afraid to grow. You know what I'm saying? I just want to improve, not only for myself, not only for my art channel, my career here on YouTube, but for you watching this. So yeah, guys, let's get into this video and pray for me. Okay, so I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I'm like having trouble breathing. That's how nervous I am. So first rule of thumb, you never, ever, ever use the first page. So skip that, move on to the second page. So the first thing that I'm really bad at doing is drawing from my mind. Like, I always have a really hard time drawing anatomy from my mind, but I'm such a perfectionist because like I like everything to look anatomically correct 100% all the time. So I struggle a lot when it comes down to not using any kind of like references or anything like that. Yeah, something like that. And then I think for her hair, I'm gonna add like a bun, hot cross buns. So yeah, like I said, I have always struggled when it comes down to portraits. I don't know what it is. Like, I can do guy profiles really well, but when it comes down to like the profiles of women, I don't know what it is. I'm just not that good at it. Draw her a little pointy nose. Oh, it's actually really, really cute. Oh my gosh. Let's make her lips like really dramatic, like Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Like Kylie Jenner who? Kylie Jenner who? So one of the reasons why I'm so bad at illustration, I love to have realistic proportions. So it's really, ooh, I'm messing up. Okay, so there's her face. Does that look goofy? Because I feel like that might look a little goofy. No, it doesn't. It actually looks really cute. I love my drawings to have bangs, so I'm definitely gonna draw in some bangs. Give her some like super poofy hair, because I love whenever women on Pinterest, they have like those big hair buns that just like exceed expectations, you know? They're like the most extra thing ever. I love that. And I want her to have. Basically, I'm drawing this girl how I wanna look. Maybe I'll pull in the nose bridge a little bit. There we go. Yes. Okay, that looks so much better than what it did. Not that it looked bad before, it's just with anatomy, any wrong little line and it pretty much throws off your whole entire human character. So yeah, cool. I think I'm gonna add some like really hipster-like jewelry because, you know, this is how I wanna dress. Wow, she has a huge head. That's the one thing about illustration is that I'm always like, wow, that looks too big for her body, or wow, that looks too small. But then I have to remember that's the point. Okay, so that's her face, just like really exaggerated everything. And I think I'm gonna add like a little bit of, add a little star right here just for, you know, good luck. Actually, I'm gonna add stars all up in this baby. Because we love stars. Okay, so this is pretty much like the basic of the basic design of what I'm gonna be working with. Now, because I'm not good with illustration, that pretty much includes everything involved in illustration, including the thing that I am doing next, which is coloring. Now, to be quite honest with you, this supposedly is mixed media paper, but I mean, it's super thin, so I don't know how well it's gonna hold up, to be honest. I'm gonna have to take this very slowly. Okay, so this paper is just not gonna work out. I thought it would hold up just a little bit, but man, this paper is not very good. I have to be super careful because it's like already bubbling up. Okay, so I'm gonna immediately switch over to Copics as soon as I'm done with the hair. Screw it. I'm just going in with the chisel. People get in disbelief when I use the chisel side. They're like, oh, I can't believe it. I never use the chisel. What are you doing? But I love the chisel side. So one thing I notice that illustrators do all the time is they always add like little like warmness to the nose and like lips, and you know, they just like make it look really extra cute. So I guess I'll try to tap into that slightly, you know what I'm saying? Oh god, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Erase, 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 erase right now. Oh wow, I've never seen a colorless blender that actually erases. This is incredible. Wow, that's really neat. Good job, oh hoo hoo. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and just add like a little bit of like color to her cheeks.
A few moments later.
Okay, well, that kind of turned into a mess. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that dry and then we'll come back and fix that. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm gonna work on her lips, and this color is calling my name. It's so pretty and it is so vibrant. I love it. I just want that all over her lips. Oh, you see how pretty that is? Oh, it's so pretty. It's super vibrant too. It's like more vibrant than anything else. It'll distract from the unblended Copic. Next, I'm gonna go in with her eyes. And I think for her eyes, I kind of want it to match her hair. I think that'd look really pretty. And I know I'm being really quiet throughout this whole entire process, and it's just because I really don't want to mess anything up, you know? Like, I really want to make it look good. Now, for the eyebrows, I have to be really careful because I don't want to do anything bad to them. And I'm doing them gray because I think black will be too harsh, so I'm just going in as lightly as I can with the eyebrows. Yeah, see, something like that. She's looking cute. She just needs a little bit more shadows on her face, but she is looking so cute. Yes. Next, I'm gonna work on her hair. Oh wow, so I was about to start her hair, and look at this color. It matches the watercolor perfectly. Watch. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, see, it's kind of coming together. Look at that. See, I just need to figure out what I'm gonna do with her face because I need a shadow, but all my shadows are like brown, brown. Okay, so I added a little bit to the face. I did a little bit more. So at this point, I'm pretty much done with the face. And when I say I'm done with the face, it's not that I've completed the face. I'm done with it, like enough, donezo. Moving on. So I'm gonna erase all these stars. That way I can put in the background without having to worry about the graphites going everywhere. So for the background, I'm thinking about doing like a really pretty like pastel purple and fades into like a really light pink. I think that would look really pretty. Okay, so you know what? Now I'm thinking instead of like putting purple right here, why don't I put like a yellow? So it'll be like yellow, blue, and then color block of pink. I think that'd look really nice for a background. We're just gonna make it oblong. It's very much not gonna be a perfect circle, so that's another bad thing. I cannot draw a perfect circle. Some of these artists out here, they just be like, whoosh, and I'm like, dude, how do you do that? Yes, I think she looks so cute. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's not the most perfect circle around, but you know, it looks really cute. Okay, so now for this next part, I don't know what my problem was. Like, I don't know if I was having an aneurysm, but you just cannot hear a word I'm saying. But I have this great idea where I'm gonna basically color block her whole entire shirt black and then go in with watercolor and like have the shirt melting down. I think that will look so sick. Okay, so it is currently the next day, and I am so obsessed with how this drip came out. She is looking so fine. Now I'm thinking like maybe some flowers would look nice. Like, you know how they frame tattoos with flowers? Maybe that would look nice. I don't know. But I'm definitely gonna go in and start fine lining with these Sharpie pens that I got on clearance. So let me zoom you in for that. I'm trying to work with yellow, but I don't even think you can see that. So yeah, that's a no-no. So I'm gonna try to fine line with this Sharpie pen. I think it's a really pretty color. It's a little bit darker and oranger than her skin tone, but I think it'll like differentiate the background to her face. Cause that's a thing. I gotta be so careful because I am so bad at fine lining. Like my hand just, that's why I'm not a good illustrator, guys. In fact, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to like pull it way close. I'll be right back. This is literally how close I have to get to fine line. Oh yeah, she is looking so much better already. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the very last and final step. It's not that I'm necessarily bad at this thing, it's just that it's something I've never done with my art in like literally years. And that's drawing in an incredibly cartoony style. So what I'm gonna do is draw some like cartoon flowers right here, and then add a little bit of vines right here, just to like kind of balance everything out. And I'm gonna try to keep this as absolutely simple as possible because that's completely against my drawing instincts. Oh god, that looks like a banana. Oh well, gotta keep it moving. Okay, and then I think for one last final thing, I'm gonna add a star on her face, like a really obvious one. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the final drawing of everything that I absolutely cannot draw. I can't believe I did an illustration, woo! Go me! And I hope this video inspires you watching this to go out of your comfort zone, try something new, try something you've never done before. It doesn't even have to be art. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, with that being said, guys, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next video. Bye.